Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagdish Chandran. Nifty takes a breather to close around 22,300 zones. Markets, will it hold or fold? Will it hold 22,300? It's very crucial levels. Markets, after attempting the highs of 22,800, witness a profit booking to take the Nifty towards 22,300. Very crucial zones for now. India VIX shoots up to 17.1 zones. Very important to watch out for in the coming sessions. Will the markets hold or fold? Great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions for long-term investments. Do not miss it. Our recent trading investment picks and has helped the traders and investors to generate the income in the range of 25% to as high as 200% plus returns in our cherry picks. Would suggest to book profits in our earlier picks given till May-1st in our short-term to medium-term portfolios and picks, and wait for the next updates in the coming days and coming sessions. Long-term picks can continue to hold on as markets to provide great opportunity in to add quality stocks for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Finally, I would like to thank each and everyone for supporting my channel Wealth Wizards, and hope we have added value and served your objective to help the traders and investors to generate income and wealth creation. That's all for now. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.